On 1 May 1994, Brazilian Formula One driver Ayrton Senna was killed after his car crashed into a concrete barrier while he was leading the 1994 San Marino Grand Prix at the Autodromo Enzo e Dino Ferrari in Italy. The previous day, Austrian driver Roland Ratzenberger had died when his car crashed during qualification for the race. His and Senna's crashes were the worst of several that took place that weekend and were the first fatal collisions to occur during a Formula One race meeting in 12 years. This became a turning point in the safety of Formula One, prompting the implementation of new safety measures in both Formula One and the circuit, as well as the Grand Prix Drivers Association to be re-established. The Supreme Court of Cassation of Italy ruled that mechanical failure was the cause of the crash, although this has been disputed. In 1994, Senna left his longtime team McLaren, which he had joined in 1988, and subsequently won 3 World Drivers' Championships in 1988, 1990 and 1991, to join Williams, replacing his former teammate Alain Prost and being paired with Damon Hill. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.